Evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in the puzzle page of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend. Saturday, September the 9th, 2023. Already solved three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the killer Sudoku, the binary, and the last one is a tectonic. Yeah, the tectonic with well, do not know how many stars, but this will be number 7068. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Should be a one-star puzzle. And for one-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if this is really a one-star puzzle. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here one dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. More dual boxes? No. I see here a triple box. Next question, we have here triple boxes. Well, contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the numbers could be everywhere here. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Here, the numbers could be everywhere. How about here? This triple box. Well, this box can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers, oh well, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. And the 3 could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, I told you the inside box, the box near the middle box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, we see here a quadra box. Oh, overlook this triple box. We have another one. Yeah. Well, this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there, and the 2 and the 3 could be everywhere. Yeah. But when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 here, so it can't be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Alright, more triple boxes. I don't believe we have triple box. I see here a quadra box, here a quadra box. Do we have more? No. 2 quadra boxes. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 2. Can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. This box can be 1. This box can be 4. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes. In this quadra box, so 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 3. Alright. My next strategy now is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Yeah, the T shape, rotated. More T shapes here? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember. Yeah. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. And here we have another 1. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay, so I've eliminated here. Oh, wait. I will do this later. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Yeah. This one. Rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 3 here. Alright, and those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3. 3 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Well, we have 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3 in this triple box. 2 and 3, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. For the 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 4 goes there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Then. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 5 goes there. This box can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Then, let me think. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this triple box should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then, these 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and 4 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, here also 2 missing numbers in this T-shape area for numbers 3 and 1. 3 and 1. Well, if this box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 1, but we already have a 3 here, so it can't be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 digit left in this T-shape area for number 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4 and this box should be a 5. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 3 there. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this triple box for number 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 1 box left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 box left in, well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. So 2 numbers left in this area. The last 2 numbers for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finishing for 11 minutes. We solved it again. Told you earlier, should be in 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes, so I'm well pleased with time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow with the Samurai Sudoku and the puzzles left in this newspaper and also in the yesterday's newspaper. So until then, bye bye for now.